Hey everybody, Mr. Johnston here. Welcome to a little bit more chemistry at home. Today we're going to talk about endothermic versus exothermic processes. And we're going to use some stuff that you might have around your house to think about those terms, endothermic and exothermic. So first I've got a few plastic cups out here. We're going to try some. This is just laundry detergent. You might have some different kind of laundry detergent. I think just about any laundry detergent should work. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of my cups and just get a little bit of water in that cup. You don't want the water to be too hot or too cold. And we're just using a real small amount of water, maybe a couple of tablespoons or so. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of feel what the temperature of the water is right now before I put anything into it. And I'm just kind of feeling the outside of the cup. And I'm going to take just a little bit of the laundry detergent and put it right into that water. And give it a little stir. And what we're doing is we're really just dissolving that laundry detergent in the water. And what I'm going to do is just feel for temperature change. Feel the outside of the cup. And sure enough, I do feel that this has gotten warmer. And so if it's getting warmer, it must be releasing heat. And if it's releasing heat, that's an exothermic process. And so as I stir and dissolve, this laundry detergent is releasing heat, and that's an exothermic process. The next one I'm going to try is just a little bit of baking soda into some water. So once again, get a little bit of water into a cup. And this time I'm going to put just a little bit of baking soda into that water. And like I did before, give it a stir. Now, this one, when I feel the outside of the cup, it's not really significant, but it does get a little bit colder. And if you have a thermometer, you can actually measure the change in temperature. You can also feel the water with your finger, and it does feel a little bit colder. One more that I want to try is this citric acid. Now you might have citric acid around your house because it is sometimes used in cooking. If you don't have citric acid, that's okay. I'm going to do the same thing I did before and add just a little bit of citric acid to my water. And once again, we're stirring to make a solution. Now, when I put the citric acid in the water, that definitely feels colder. And so these two, either the baking soda one or the citric acid one, they both are absorbing energy. They require energy to dissolve, which means that those two are endothermic. They do get colder as they dissolve. So I've got endothermic process and exothermic process to observe.